relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie Smalls for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back. Jap her if she act funny with the money. Oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, capisha. I'm out like the vapor. Who's the one you call Mr. Macho? The head honcho, swiftness like Cuacho. I got so much style, I should be down with the stylistics. Make up to break up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, beat you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skin to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clits. Sucking on the tits, had the hooker begging for the dick. And your mom saying ugly love, my dick got rocked quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was humping around and jumping around. Jacqueline, then I asked her who's the man. She said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. You're dead wrong.
Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough and raw. Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough. Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough and raw.
When we ride on our enemies, make sure everybody die. When we ride on our enemies. Hey, got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K-Roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas and slug niggas. Am I wrong? Niggas making songs trying to get with us. Must be gone, no stress. We in the West, we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride till the sun come shining back to brighten up the sky. I mean he died, heard the fool people's trying to do me. Look bitch, I cut your weight, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other 2 die slow, castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Bam, set my planning mode, time to exterminate my foes. I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop.
Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough and raw. Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough. Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? Man, just watching, plotting to get me. Will I survive when I die? I'm living rough and raw. Catching cases at a fast rate, falling in the fast lane. 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 Hustle till the morning. Hustle till the morning. Hustle till the morning. Never stop until the cash came. Never stop until the cash came. Typer as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots on the scene major. Got me.